Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Emilia from MC2424A. I am a degree student, Bachelor in Mass Communication in Public Relations at UiTM Alokajah, Melaka. So, today I would like to share with you my experience on running my small online business and how is online business can improve public relations skills as a student for the future.
The best whitehead removal sebab korang akan puas hati bila tengok whitehead korang keluar.
Sedap guys.
Ni tunjuk balik dia punya hasil.
I start to run a business since 2018 at Polytechnic Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin while further my study in diploma. I start to be an agent for food products such as dadi umi, cake batik, chocolate and cheesecake. I also doing my own business selling mineral water, instant noodles and boxed water. Students at the hostel will come to my room to buy such foods after class or even in the middle of the night. You will still hear the knock knock every 11 p.m. and above. Huh? I'm not very sure. Since 2020, I start a small online business by selling people's local product. Since we were surprised by COVID-19, I start to learn making videos talking about the product I sell through TikTok, Instagram stories or WhatsApp status. In my opinion, there are many benefits and relatable between online business in improving skills in PR. Firstly, when you are doing online business, you are actually learning a customer service skill. At the same time, you are practice on how to deal with people, their attitude. This will help you to be more professional while talking to people. It is normal if you get positive or negative feedback from your customer. You will learn PR skills in these situations. How are you going to react to these situations? What is your response? Secondly, I realized that when I usually make a video content to promote products or sharing my opinion or give some tips regarding business on TikTok, Instagram, day by day it improved my communication skills and confidence level. This is helping us as a PR to do presentation at work or meeting. We will be fluent delivering our speech. By doing online business, you can make friends and get more contacts. As a PR, we need to approach and get to know more people. It is necessary because it will help you in the future. Knowing more people and connection will ease your work in many kinds of things. By practicing to be active in using social media, get to know more about distance issues, marketing your products, editing videos and pictures are kind of PR skills. In PR, you need to be pro in editing. You need to be knowledgeable, follows the era. Before we end our topic for today, I would like to invite you to visit my beauty and body care heaven. Your satisfaction is my priority. Spa at home je. Duit jimat, lawa pun dapat. Bye!